If you have found this reading, then this message is for you, and I'm really glad that you found this reading because I'm sure that not a lot of people will discover this tarot reading. This is a very small YouTube channel, so I am really glad to have you here. And today I'll be doing a tarot reading which is absolutely spontaneous. I have no planning whatsoever. I will just see what the cards want to tell you and I will deliver the message. So, before we start this reading, I would like to ask you to close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and set this intention in the universe that whatever you are meant to hear or learn should find you without any delays. And then you will notice that in your life you will have more synchronicities about whatever you want to know. So, before starting this reading, I would like to clarify that this is a general reading, and so some messages might resonate, some messages might not resonate. So, please take what resonates, and this reading is timeless. You can watch it at any point of time. So, let's see what the cards want to tell you today. I just have to put my mic there. Okay. So, what does the universe, do the cards, whichever power you believe in, whatever brought you to this reading, want you to know? Let's see. King of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, the Hierophant. I also saw the Devil while shuffling the cards. Seven of Cups, Nine of Wands, Ace of Wands. And on the top of the deck, we have Nine of Cups. So the first card that came out was King of Wands, then we had Knight of Pentacles and the Hierophant. So when I look at these three cards, they give a very positive message. But when I look at Seven of Cups and Nine of Wands, I do understand that right now you must be feeling that situations are getting a little complicated. It might not be just one situation, it might be something. I think some things that you want to attract in your life, because Seven of Cups is about getting confused over many things. You have a lot of options and you don't know what to choose from. And the Nine of Wands is about feeling tired and feeling a little bit of frustration kicking in, that you are trying to achieve something or that you are walking on a path for a very long time and you feel that I'm the only one who has to fend for myself, and this is not, it doesn't feel like it's going to get over anytime soon. But the overall reading is very positive. Now let's get to all the messages and let's try to understand this entire reading. Okay, so the first card is King of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. I feel that the people who are watching this really want to achieve something right now, which makes them very passionate about it, something they can't give up on, something that even has the power to put them in a position of authority or privilege, something like that. Something that, because of this card, because the iconography on this card, actually this is a story about this, I think this is a phoenix, I'm not sure. So something that does feel like oxygen when life gets too hard, or something that feels like a lifeboat, something which you are not only passionate about but you feel it from the depths of your soul. Is something that is that powerful in your life. I think that is something you're watching this reading about. So you want to achieve that thing, and I feel that if you are feeling that I should give up, or if I'm not able to achieve this thing, then we have the Knight of Pentacles and the Hierophant, which tells me that you can absolutely achieve it, you can absolutely pull this thing off. You just have to be a little bit patient, because Knight of Pentacles requires patience. It is like that turtle who wins the race in the end. So this is that kind of energy. We also have Ace of Wands and the Hierophant in this reading. It could actually be a creative endeavor. For a lot of people, I don't think this reading is about any relationship. It could be, because this is a general reading, but I do feel that this is something that you really resonate with and something you want to start. You really want to achieve this. You can't stop thinking about it, something like that. And if you were looking for a sign, then this reading is definitely a sign. It could also be that you want to achieve two or three things in your life, right? It could be different areas of your life where you want to achieve these things. and you feel like you have to make a choice, but I actually don't think that you do. I feel that with patience and consistent work you can actually achieve multiple things if you desire to. And I can also relate to that because I also want to achieve quite a few things. So we also have the Hierophant. So I do believe that these cards also bring this advice to you that if there is someone who can guide you better, and even if you feel that even if you feel a bit hesitant or shy to ask them, you should go and ask for advice, because this card is about all things traditional. So it's about marriage, it's about getting admitted to an institution, especially if you want to get admitted somewhere, if you want to join something. Then also this card could hold positive meaning, and because there is Knight of Pentacles and King of Wands here, so it does say that with passionate and consistent work, with consistency, you can achieve this. This reading is not telling me that it is just all of a sudden going to happen, or there's going to be some sort of miracle that's going to make it happen. You are the person who will make it happen. Because the phoenix has to rise from the ashes by itself. There is no one who will rescue her, there's no one who will bring her back from the ashes. It is she who does that, right? So that is the energy that I'm getting here. 5 number could be important, the number 5. There are mostly odd numbers in your reading, 5, 7, 9. So these could resonate with you. I especially think that if there are some kind of people that you can uh, associate with, or that you can connect with, who can guide you better, or who can provide this kind of environment that you are looking for, then you should really seek it out. I'm very sure that you will find it. You might feel that it's hard right now, but you will find those kind of people, or that kind of place which will support your dreams and your goals. I want to take a few cards more to see more about this reading. Anything else that you need to know right now? Wow, okay. So 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles. I do feel that a lot of you are looking for long-term success, or something very long-term, something that brings not only growth but overall development. And I do feel that it is very much possible for you. It will happen for you. You just have to be a little patient. And I know that it can get hard to be patient sometimes. But you want to have a lot of things in your life, and you are also deserving of it, because you don't shy away from working hard, or you don't shy away from daring to dream. That's the kind of personality you have. There could be some times when you feel a little demotivated, but you must have always have had this tendency to overcome it somehow, and that is what you need to do right now. There is 10 of Cups, there is 10 of Pentacles. I can see a family in both of these cards. So you also wish for a good family, which of course we all do. It could be in terms of having good colleagues, or literally a family. And if you come from a situation or circumstances where you've seen people act in a very uh, different way from this, then I really think that do not let it break your heart, or do not let it make you pessimistic, because you could also be the kind of person who likes to wear their heart on their sleeve, and you do give to people without thinking twice. And I think if you already know your value, then you will also attract people like this, because these are very wholesome cards. These cards are not asking for anything more, they already have everything they need. So this is the kind of energy that you are meant to attract. If you are looking for a sign, then I am very glad that you found this reading. Even if there are people who are opposed to this idea, or if you are facing some kind of opposition, because this card is actually about so the story is that this woman, like this woman's family, I think they are sirens, and they do not want her to marry this man, but they do get married, and then her family eventually supports her. So that's the story. So abundance will flow, and things will naturally fall into place. You just have to be a little consistent, and do not give up on the things that make you feel like yourself. So this was the reading. I hope that it resonated with you, that it helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next reading.